Hey guys, this is a 2014 Corolla LE. My friend came over to get his rear struts replaced. The shop quoted him whopping $820, but we can do this with just $120 replacement struts. He's going to do the work and I'm just providing the guidance. This is a relatively easy DIY that will take less than 1 hour. Keep doing it.
Okay, now we can use this one.
Yeah. But leave one, okay? Leave one in. You gotta take out this, and you gotta take out that, and those are 14 millimeter. You see the one in the back?
Yeah.
That one you unscrew from the bottom. Just take it out. You want to get your jack right on the two indentations there, and that's where we're gonna jack the car. Okay, so this is the rear struts. You can see all the oil leak. You know, from here, going from the brake towards the inside, there's the 19 millimeter nut that we have to take out. After that, we have to take out this.
It goes here and then there's not much.
Oh, you got a little bit.
Okay. Yeah.
Came out. There's a washer also.
Yeah, there's a washer.
Be careful so it doesn't.
Okay. It's out.
Okay, now.
Now open this.
Yeah. All the way out? Okay. Okay, so hold on to it as I pry, okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now you can weave it down.
Okay. Done.
Okay?
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
It looks like broken something. See?
Let me see.
No. What is this?
No, it's just the cover.
It's always loose. Okay.
It shouldn't be.
Where does the oil come from?
All should have been covered. See if there's a label for left and right. Oh, that's right.
That's right.
So
this
yeah.
is right.
See if the other one has left. L.
Yeah, you want to show?
Just want to make sure. They didn't send two.
L.
Okay.
And this
Let's compare the two.
Okay.
Wow, they look totally identical.
I see a ball here, and that thing is not here. See that thing?
Yeah.
Is this broken or missing in this one?
Yeah. Maybe,
It's not there.
maybe it broke off.
Yeah, it's plastic.
Yeah. Loosen the.
Screws.
Yeah. It's probably you can use hand maybe.
No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, pretty loose.
Yeah. And then
Just loose or take off?
No, take it out because we need to use that to mount. So.
It also says right on over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
This way.
Yep, line it up. And then you got two bolts. So you got to get two bolts. Yeah. Now, to get it lined up, you probably have to put it in a...
Oh, that is the tricky part. So, it's hard to push.
Oh, it's hard to get the height.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what Don was talking about.
Okay, so
This goes in there.
we got it in there. First, we had to get the top two bolts lined up. And then shock was actually hanging out here. And then once that lined up, I had to move it in and move it out, then push it in here. I don't think it's in all the way. Let me see. Hold on a second.
It's not.
So hold on. I'm gonna get you a wood block to pound that in. Okay. Hold on.
Okay, done. Now
Do it
the
again.
so this is a washer.
Yeah.
And this screw, 19 millimeter.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's just enough.
Yeah.
I think that's enough now.
Yeah. Just get it started a little bit, and then we have to jack up the shock to push it all the way up. Okay. So let me get a jack. So you gotta jack it up like this to get the top edge, top surface kind of lined up. That way we'll take the pressure off and we can tighten the bolts.
Yeah. Tighten it.
Yeah.
Should I go? Is it no? We need a different one. The red one.
Huh?
It's 14 millimeter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need 14 millimeter. This one. Alrighty.
We'll tighten it with the torque, but go ahead and tighten the bottom.
Okay, that is 19 millimeter.
Okay, so the torque is 59 foot-pounds.
Oh. It's already.
Okay, so it's already tight. Okay,
See?
that's good. I heard the click.
I heard. Yeah, let's see if that click was real or. Yeah.
Okay. Turn the screws very slowly to the left.
How?
Put it in there, and very slowly, because car's gonna come down. Very slowly. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now pull it out.
Stop.
Okay, this is 21 millimeter. Okay, by the way, you have to do in star, okay? Always opposite, okay?
Okay.
And that way, you went here, then you go.
Oh.
You go that one. Yeah, that one. You start over from that one and repeat. Star motion, star motion, star motion. Take out the rubber chuck. Just pull it out. Yeah, leave that one. Then we gotta put here, but after we bring down the tire. But so you gotta. Whoa! You gotta do everything slow, man. You gotta turn left slowly.
Yeah.
Turn left. Yeah. You have to do everything slow. So this is the original one. This is 14. The replacement is 15. It looks like actually 14 is better. So as you can see, the original is thicker, and this is 14.
Looks stronger, yeah.
This is the aftermarket. It looks fine, but it's not as thick, and it doesn't have this top shape like this. And this is also 15. So we were gonna use the new one, but decided this original one actually looks better, so we're gonna use original instead.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Okay. Now put this back in.
One side is done.
Put the cover back in nicely. Bottom's got to go under. Yeah. Yeah, it's got to go under. There you go, folks. Another $700 saved with just 1 hour of work. If this video was helpful, please give a like and consider subscribing for many more Toyota and Lexus maintenance and repair videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.